What is the difference between adjustment of status and consular processing? If you are applying for a U.S. green card, this is one of the first choices you will face. Both lead to lawful permanent residency, but the way you get there is very different. Adjustment of status, often called AOS, allows you to apply for a green card from inside the United States without leaving the country. You stay where you are, attend a USCIS interview locally, and can often work and travel while your application is pending. Consular processing happens at a U.S. embassy or consulate outside the country. You complete your immigrant visa application through the National Visa Center and attend an interview abroad before entering the United States as a permanent resident. Let's start with adjustment of status. This process is for people physically present in the U.S. who are eligible to apply for permanent residency. Most applicants must have entered the country legally and must qualify under a green card category that allows AOS. Common situations include marriage to a U.S. citizen, employment-based applications for those already working in the U.S., and certain humanitarian categories like asylum or VAWA. The process involves filing Form 1485 with USCIS, submitting supporting documents, attending a biometrics appointment, and later a local interview. If approved, you receive your green card in the mail without ever leaving the country. The main benefits are being able to remain in the U.S. while you wait, the ability to apply for work and travel permits, and avoiding risks at the border. The drawbacks include longer processing times in some locations, higher upfront fees, and the requirement for lawful entry in most cases. Now let's look at consular processing. This method is for people outside the U.S., or for those inside the country who choose to process abroad. It is often used when applicants are ineligible for AOS, want to avoid USCIS backlogs, or live permanently outside the United States. In consular processing, your petition is approved by USCIS, then sent to the National Visa Center. You complete the DS-260 online immigrant visa form, pay the required fees, submit civil documents and the affidavit of support, and attend a medical exam. The final step is an interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate. If approved, you enter the United States as a permanent resident, and your green card is mailed to your U.S. address. The advantages include faster timelines in some cases, no need to maintain lawful status in the U.S., and direct entry as a permanent resident. The disadvantages are the need for international travel, the risk of being stuck abroad if denied, and no work or travel authorization while waiting. When comparing timelines, AOS typically takes 8 to 18 months depending on the USCIS field office, while consular processing can take 6 to 12 months after petition approval. Costs also differ. AOS has higher filing fees but includes work and travel permits. CP has lower government fees but may require additional travel expenses. So which should you choose? Adjustment of status is best if you are already in the U.S. legally, want to stay during processing, and need work or travel authorization while you wait. Consular processing is best if you live abroad, need the fastest possible approval from your embassy, or are ineligible for AOS. The right choice depends on your location, immigration history, urgency, and comfort with traveling for your interview. Both lead to the same goal, but choosing the right path for your situation can save you time, money, and stress. If you are unsure, speak with an immigration attorney before deciding. Making the right choice at the start can make your journey to a U.S. green card much smoother.